Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download MP3 music from the YouTube audio library. So let's head over to youtube.com, right? And of course, you need to have a YouTube channel to be able to do this. But if you do, it makes it super easy. So you head over to youtube.com, click your account on the upper right where you have your picture or whatever you have there, and just go to the YouTube studio. Once you're inside the YouTube studio, guys, it is super easy to find the audio library. All you have to do is scroll down on the left side where you have these options, and you should find audio library. Inside the audio library, you have musics, you have beats, you have sound effects, all these different things. You just need to find whatever you want. And all of these musics that you can find here or sounds, they are in MP3 file format. So it is an MP3 file. So you can basically scroll down and find whatever you want. You can use a search at the top to search whatever you want. And you can even search by genre if you want to search by genre. You can search by multiple different things: duration, artist names, attribution or not, right? You can search by mood. And of course, if you know the title of the song, you can also search it. To listen to music, you can easily click the play button on the left. To favorite it, you can click the star. So it's in a favorite. And once you favorite, it's going to go under the starred section here at the top. So you can find them right here. As you can see, I have a bunch of them as well. And of course, whenever you're ready to download the music, on the right hand side, you'll notice where it says added, you have a download button once you hover over any song. So you just need to hit the download button there.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And it downloads the MP3 file. And you can see right here, this is an MP3 file halfway in, and this is going to be stored in my downloads folder where I can basically listen to it and do whatever with it. And that's it. So that's how you download MP3 music from the YouTube audio library. Very easy and very simple, guys.